Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Paul. I'm part of the sales team. You can contact us on 01476 560 599, and I hope you enjoy this short walk around video tour of our all new Swift Siena Compact 2022 model. So to emphasise our point of difference on the exterior, we've created the Siena logo with individual chrome letters. The van has sweeping side decals which are further enhanced with the Siena Compact logo, which is gel coated. As you'd expect from a special edition caravan, it does come with a very high level of specification. It includes ATC, which is the automatic trailer control, great safety feature. It's there to design for your safety and to help bring the caravan back into a safe towing situation should the caravan start to snake. Chrome grab handles, and then on the near side you've got an external barbecue point, a side access hatch to your underneath front seating, 230-volt socket. On the roof is mounted a 100-watt solar panel. The habitation door has a window. And then moving just round to the back, just to show you the bike fixings, which will accept a 2 or 3 capacity bike rack up to a maximum of 50 kg weight limit. So walking into the caravan, you will be greeted with a Siena embroidered doormat, and just to show you, on the inside of the habitation door we also fitted a kitchen bin. So look at that beautiful compact kitchen area. They really have packed in a lot into the space that they're utilising. You have the 3 gas ring hob burner, combination oven and grill, pan storage facility, stainless steel sink, your microwave still at that very usable height, and some additional storage above for your plates. And that's finished off in a satin finish that just complements the wood grain effect going through the van. Wet room, which has your toilet and sink and Siena branded vanity mirror. And you've also got your Eco Camel shower head for maximum water efficiency. Really nice large wardrobe space. Multi-directional aerial, and you've got your hanging rail at the top. And then we come to our bespoke fabric scheme, again exclusive to Grantham Caravans. We've worked very hard with Swift's lead interior designer to pick something that is striking, and hopefully you'll agree it does give the caravan a stunning look. We include Horrocks 4-sided pleated blinds. Again, a nice upgrade from the standard cassette blinds that are in the base model. Also allows you to have partial split privacy. The van is fitted with an alarm. So inside the van you've got passive infrared for movement, and then the additional tilt sensor is fitted to one of the corner steadies, so when the alarm is activated it'll also detect movement of the caravan. Just spinning round, under counter fridge freezer, so utilising every bit of space possible, and you've got a nice shelf there to fit a TV. with all of your TV point, USB charging and additional electric points. Plenty of overhead storage as well, and a mid-size Heki just letting enough light in to the Caravan. Well, I hope that's of further interest to you. We're always welcome to a telephone call to discuss in more detail or arrange an appointment. Contact us on 01476 560 599, and I look forward to hearing from you.